If you've noticed that your key fob isn't as responsive as it used to be, or you have this message displayed, it's time for a new battery. First, remove the spare key from the fob. Most fobs will have a button or a slide pin like this one. Next, locate the seam on the side of your key fob. This is where the fob can be pried apart. This Jeep fob can be pried apart with the spare key. There are no tools required. Others may require a flathead screwdriver. Now, the internal parts of the fob can be disassembled to get to the coin cell battery. Check your vehicle's manual or the old battery for the correct type. This Jeep Cherokee KL uses a CR2032. Pop out the old battery and replace it with the new one, making sure that the positive side is facing up. It's a simple swap. Once the new battery is in, reassemble the parts in the same way they were taken apart and carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together. You should hear a satisfying click when the key fob is properly sealed. And there you have it. Your Jeep key fob should now be ready to go with its fresh battery.